It was Christmas Eve at Bird Kingdom. Can you imagine that? Not a creature was stirring, not even a bat. The birds were settled down for a long winter's nap, the ibis in their tree, the cockatoos in their caps. Jojo was excited, in a special kind of way, for tomorrow was Christmas, the very next day.
"Birds don't celebrate Christmas," said Sheldon. "You silly old parrot. Christmas is for people, and they don't want to share it."
Look up, and they saw a wishing star. So they closed their eyes, and they wished very hard. "I wish," Jojo said, "we could have our Christmas too." And that's when Little Star broke into a tune. But that star they had wished upon was not a star at all. It was a lorikeet friend, hiding in their tree so tall. "I know how to cheer them up. I know just what to do. We'll show them that birds have Christmas spirit too." He dashed away to find his friends, whose Christmas spirit was great, and he rounded them up, a group totaling 8. The Lories worked quickly to decorate that tree, so they could bring Christmas to their extended bird family. On Christmas Day, in the early morn, the parrots awoke to find their tree adorned. And the humans didn't forget their friends that chirp. A sock filled with nuts was tacked to each perch. On that cold winter's morn, the birds learned about Christmas spirit, and they now knew you didn't have to be human to feel it. From all of us here, to all of you, Merry Christmas to you and your friends, the feathered ones too.